Hello students, myself Kushali Satpute. Again welcome to Sham Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, our 5th standard subject EVS first and topic family values. In previous lecture, we completed our 5th number chapter family values. So, in this lecture, we have to solve exercise depend on chapter family values. From this exercise, all questions are from subtopics the decision making or honest and dishonest behavior, tolerance and gender equality. So you see questions in your textbook. I will tell you some answers. Students, see here exercise of chapter number 5 family values. Question number 1 fill in the blanks. Means students, here some sentences are given, but here some blanks. See here. So we have to fill words in these blanks. See, first A. Honesty is our dash dash dash. Honesty is our correct strength. Honesty is our strength. Therefore, write down sentence again and underline here in question where was blank. Then next B. Everyone needs dash dash in public life. Answer is everyone needs cooperation in public life. Then C. Dash dash has a special significance in our country. Which value or which family values has special significance in our country? Tolerance. So see here, tolerance has a special significance in our country. Then D. By developing a sense of equality, everyone gets to dash dash and make dash dash. Means here to filling the blanks. So see answer. By developing a sense of equality, everyone gets to learn and make progress. Then, here our question number 1 is completed. So, see students, question number 2. Answer in one line. A. Who should make decision regarding changes in our environment? And answer is everyone who lives in our surrounding area should make decisions regarding changes in our environment. Then B. What is tolerance? Students, in our chapter family values, we learn definition of tolerance. So see here, tolerance is respecting opinions of others which are different from our own opinion. Then C. What is gender equality? Gender equality is not to discriminate between boys or men and girls, means women, and respect for one another. Means students, there is gender equality. Then next D. What are the common needs of men and women? So we learn some common needs of men and women. See here, food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of men and women. Do you understand? Question number 3. Answer in short. Here 2 questions are given and we have to write their answers in short. See, question number A. How do you take part in the decision making process in the family? Answer. I get opportunity to express my views. Then next, the subject is thoroughly discussed by every member of my family. Then third, the decision is taken after consulting everyone and last point is everyone agrees with the decision. Do you understand? Okay, now next question. Last question from exercise. How do we develop a sense of tolerance? Means students, how we develop tolerance sense? So, answer is we can develop a sense of tolerance by listening to the views of other persons. We must understand and respect the views of others even when we disagree. And last, we must not insist that only our view is correct. Students, here our exercise of chapter number 5, family values, is complete. So, you write down all these questions and answers in your notebook with a good handwriting. So, in next lecture, we will start our next chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.